Most traders believe that better results come from more tools, more indicators, more confirmations, more complexity. It feels logical. If something doesn't work, add something else. But markets do not reward complexity. They reward clarity. Welcome to the Phantom Trader world, where clarity comes before execution. Simplicity in trading is often misunderstood. It is not laziness. It is not lack of knowledge. It is the result of understanding what actually matters. When traders start, everything looks important. Every indicator feels useful. Every signal seems meaningful. So charts slowly turn into clutter. And with clutter comes confusion. The problem is not that indicators are bad. The problem is that too much information creates hesitation. And hesitation is expensive. Simple systems work because they reduce decision-making. When rules are clear, execution becomes easier. When execution becomes easier, consistency becomes possible. Professional traders do not simplify because they know less. They simplify because they know more. They understand that markets move due to a small number of forces, not endless variables. Price, time, risk, everything else is secondary. Complex systems often fail, not because they are wrong, but because humans cannot follow them. A strategy that looks perfect on paper is useless if it cannot be executed under pressure. Simplicity protects you from yourself. It reduces emotional overload. It reduces overthinking. It reduces the urge to interfere. Most mistakes in trading do not come from bad analysis. They come from bad decisions made in real time. Simplicity shortens the distance between seeing and acting. Another reason simplicity wins is that it reveals mistakes faster. When a system is simple, you know exactly what went wrong. Was it execution? Was it discipline? Was it risk? In complex systems, failure is hidden. You never know whether the strategy failed or you failed to follow it. Simplicity creates accountability. It also makes learning faster. When you remove unnecessary elements, patterns become clearer. You start to recognize market behavior instead of chasing signals. This is especially important in the beginning. Complexity gives beginners a false sense of security. They feel protected by layers, but those layers often contradict each other. And when signals conflict, confidence disappears. Simple systems do not eliminate losses. Nothing does. But they make losses understandable. You know why you lost. You know what to fix. And you know when to do nothing. Doing nothing is one of the hardest skills in trading. Simplicity supports patience. It teaches you to wait for your conditions, not react to noise. Markets generate endless information. Only a small part of it is useful. Simplicity is the filter. This is why many professional traders use fewer tools over time, not more. Their charts get cleaner. Their rules get tighter. Their decisions get calmer. Not because trading became easier, but because they stopped fighting the market. Simplicity does not guarantee success, but complexity almost guarantees failure. If you cannot explain your system in a few sentences, you probably cannot trade it consistently. Clarity comes before performance, and simplicity is how clarity survives pressure. If this video added clarity to how you see trading, support this work. An interaction tells the algorithm this foundation matters. A subscription tells me to keep building it with you.